It's me, Mara. So today I'm going to do a Valentine's Day makeup and outfit and hair. So I hope you guys like it. Let's get started with the tutorial. So first I'm going to be doing my brows, and this is my first time to actually do them first kasi wala na, inspire lang ako sa iba and it looks like mas maayos siya tingnan. So guys, I forgot to tell you, pero syempre, ang gamit ko sa kilay is Careline Best Brow Liner in the shade Taupe. This has been what I'm using every day, every single day. So I'm done with my brows, and next I'm going to be using this Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. Ayan guys, gagamitin ko siya para ma-conceal yung eyebrows ko before we put on foundation. So guys, what I do with this is I put yung concealer dito sa kamay ko, and then I use a concealer brush para ma-blend siya sa eyebrows ko kasi mahirap yung mismong ano ng Fit Me Concealer, masyado siyang mataba. Ayan guys, talagyan ko na ng concealer, and then I'm going to be blending it out. And then guys, ayan na-blend na natin na mabuti yung ating eyebrows. And then I'm going to be using for foundation itong Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation in the shade Classic Ivory 120. Ayan, and medyo lighter to sa shade ko because umitim nga ako dahil sa Clara, pero we can make it work kasi ito lang foundation ko here. And ayun, so guys, after the foundation, I'm going to be using this Fit Me Concealer again, and also in the shade 20 Sand, and I'm going to put it on my under eyes and my T-zone kasi puyat tayo lagi and we want to hide that. And also, maitim na yung forehead ko, that's why I want to put concealer para ma-highlight siya. Also here, and blending that out. So ayan guys, medyo naputian natin yung foundation natin, pero magfe-fade din yan mamaya. And ayun, nawawala naman siya or nagsisink in naman yan sa face mo after a while, so don't mind na lang muna. Pero I'm going to the eyes na, and I'm just going to do like a simple soft glam, and I'm going to be taking this shade in the Uncovered 2 palette of Ever Belena, and I'm just going to blend it in my crease just for base lang. Like that, sobrang light lang guys. And then guys, I'm going to be taking this shade in the palette, and I'm going to be taking this because this has the tone of orangey reddish shade, which is the color of Valentine's. Syempre, dapat red kasi it's the color of love, and I'm going to be putting that on top. Lightly, put it lang. Sobrang light eyeshadow lang tayo guys. And then lastly, I'm going to be taking this Ever Belena Pro Play Pallette, and I'm going to be getting this shade together with the shade last time. Ayan. I'm going to be mixing those two together. And guys, I'm going to be putting it here para may pagka medyo smoky and parang transition yung ating eyeshadow. Going to be focusing that here. Then lastly, I'm going to be taking this shade in the palette and siguro halo ko dito yung dalawa. And then I'm just going to put it here para may shimmer tayo. Now guys, we're done with the eyeshadow. So now we're going to curl our lashes. And then we're going to use this Careline Go Big Mascara. Ayan. And then for blush, I'm going to be using the blush here in the Aido palette. Pero, ayan, sira na nga siya. Pero I'm still gonna use it. Kasi this is my only blush. And actually, yung mga gantong sira na blush is actually more pigmented. And for Valentine, syempre, dapat damihan natin ang ating... I forgot to set my face. Wait lang. Okay. I-blend na natin itong kabila. Pero first guys, nakalimutan kong iset ang ating face na naman. I'm going to first set my face, especially yung concealer. And I use this Clear Smooth All-in-One Oil Control Powder Foundation to set my face. Then ayan, I'm going to continue my blush kasi nakalimutan ko nga iset ang face ko. And I'm thinking of doing a little bit of contour just because parang I feel like it. And I'm going to be using this Everbilena Contour Duo. Ayan, super affordable lang nitong look na to. I'm just going to be sculpting my face kasi walang ka-scope-scope. Ang ating face. And I'm just going to be blending it out with a different brush. So, I'm not sure pa kung anong gagamitin ko sa lips. Ay, wait. I'm going to highlight first and then lips. So, for highlight, as usual, I'm going to be using this Catrice highlighter in the shade Light Infusion. Okay, smooth. Kasi dapat glowy tayo. Ito, favorite step ko kasi ito talaga yung pinaka put together yung look. Ayan. Nalagdagan ko dito kasi konti. Favorite ko rin yung nose. And also the Cupid's bow. That's too much. My chin. My brow bone. And then my inner corner. First, I'm going to be using this lip balm. This is the John Lauren Lip and Cheek Balm. And then, I'm going to be adding a little bit of this Nichido Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade Champagne Nude. This is my all-time favorite. And I'm just going to be dabbing it all over para mag-mix yung colors nila. And then lastly, I'm going to be putting a lip gloss. And actually, ito, sobrang ubos na. But this is the Revlon Rosegold. And sobrang ubos na siya, guys, as in. We're just going to put that on top. So guys, this is the complete makeup look. I think it's very simple. You can change up yung lips for a darker brown or like a red lips. It doesn't really suit me. So, pero if you can work red, mas maganda red kasi syempre Valentine's is the color red. And now for the hair. And I'm going to part my hair sa gitna. And then I'm going to slick it out. And then guys, nilagyan ko siya ng tubig para mas mukha siyang sleek and malinis. Like that. Ayan guys, that's the finished makeup and hair. And now let's go to the outfit.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body.
So guys, thank you guys for watching this week's video. If you did like this, give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching this week's video. Kahit medyo late na sa Valentine's kasi mismo Valentine's ko pinost. Pero ayun, thank you, and comment down below what you think I should do next. And yeah, I hope you guys like this, and bye bye.
Ooh, baby, said you're so damn fine. You stay on my mind.